Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into another video. So guys, are you ready to create another picture which is cute and also hilarious guys? Yes guys, in this video I would like to share you how to create this picture, and as you can see there's the huge carrots is kind of relaxing on the soup over here, or the warm soup. How to create this one? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that you need to create this picture is only the Nano Banana. However, you can also try another platform or another AI to generate or create this picture guys. And here I am accessing it via Google AI Studio, and you can also do the login first with your email until you find this homepage. And after that you can start to click this try Nano Banana, and after that I will put the prompt, only putting the prompt into this section. Well, basically the prompt will be like this: a cute and smiling cartoon carrot relaxing in a pot of hot soup on a stove, and also the carrot has a happy face, green leafy top, and also small arms made of carrot slices, and also steam gently rises from the soup and creating a cozy and warm atmosphere. And the kitchen background is softly lit with a natural window light and showcasing a wooden interior. And also realistic texture, 3D rendering, and also the Pixar style aesthetic, for example, and also warm lighting, highly detailed cinematic focus, and shallow depth of field guys. So this is the prompt we will use, and you can simply copy it from the description box, or you can also give it the screenshot. And after that you can click run and kindly wait for the output over here. Basically, this is the same prompt I used before, and by this same prompt you can actually have the different result. For example, like this one. And you can also rerun this prompt until you find the picture that you like. And if you like this picture, then you can start to download it, and it will be officially saved into your device. So that's all guys, I hope this video found you helpful and entertaining, and don't forget to try this prompt, and you can let us know on the comment section if this prompt also worked for you guys. And if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. And also don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.